Welcome. In this presentation for new or returning students, you'll be introduced or reintroduced to a database called Academic Search Complete, which will help you with writing your papers when beginning research on a topic. Before we begin, please allow me to quickly introduce myself. I'm James Moberly, and with a background in reference and information literacy, I'll be your instructor for today. I got my Bachelor of Arts in History at California State University of Long Beach, and I got my Master's in Library and Information Science at San Jose State University. As a former student myself, I understand the challenges and doubt that can come over when beginning research on a topic. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me afterward, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Unlike other databases, Academic Search Complete does not have its own unique layout, design, or interface. What you currently see is the same for all databases that fall underneath EBSCOhost. EBSCOhost is part of EBSCO Information Services, which in of itself is a division of EBSCO or EBSCO Industries. EBSCO was founded in 1944 to sell magazine subscriptions, etc. to armed forces. Today, it currently provides libraries, institutions, corporations, and government agencies access to resources to serve information needs of their users. EBSCOhost now is an online reference system that encompasses full text and popular research databases from leading information providers. As for Academic Search Complete within EBSCOhost, it was founded in 2007 and provides full text, peer-reviewed academic journals for scholarly research in a variety of subjects. Topics that are covered are more than one discipline. Think of it as an alternative to OneSearch for getting started on research. Some publication types that are listed include academic journals, periodicals, reports, conferences, primary sources, and even works in progress. Some document types listed include abstracts, opinions, editorials, reviews, obituaries, etc. There are over 75,000 videos from AP within Academic Search Complete. There are over 5,300 full-text periodicals and over 4,400 peer-reviewed journals. Some other facts about Academic Search Complete or EBSCOhost is that it is a bundle or packaging options cost vary depending on consortium agreements and the number of databases being purchased. EBSCO Publishing doesn't own intellectual property rights to content in the data beyond their allowance in the database, meaning that perpetual access is not available on any product within Academic Search Complete. Content may be restricted based on individual publications' contractual agreements with EBSCO Publishing. Examples can include interlibrary loan, library reserve, and inclusion in course packs being prohibited. PDF content can date back as far as 1865. EBSCO admin can also be used to generate usage statistics. According to a review by Morgan Patty in the Charleston Advisor back in 2013, the content of Academic Search Complete gets 5 stars because the content range is very good, which helps make the information useful to a diverse number of institutions and individuals. The vast array of sources available, both academic and popular, make the information available relevant to most ages and research needs. As for user interface and searchability, it gets 4.5 stars because the layout is straightforward even for the first-time users, and advanced options are simply laid out. Visual search options can be intimidating at first glance, but available tutorials help users adjust to the interface quickly. Pricing, on the other hand, only gets 2.5 stars because the EBSCO representative was hesitant to give her exact pricing information. However, EBSCO Publishing offers free, customizable pricing for institutions, as well as package deals for multiple databases. Contract options get 4.5 stars because multiple contract options are available, and EBSCO admin provides both MARC records and a variety of usage statistics. To sum up her thoughts on Academic Search Complete, Academic Search Complete appeals to a large number of users due to its extensive and diverse content. Academic and large public libraries will find the information of good use to their patrons in the daily updates keep the content relevant. The page layout on each of the search options is straightforward, and the similarity between the basic and advanced search screens make the tool less intimidating to users of all types. The large quantity and diverse nature of the information makes this database a good choice for most libraries serving users of all ages and fields of study. Embargoed content can be a problem when users are looking for the most recent information or most recent release from a publication. The complicated pricing considerations may turn some institutions off, but EBSCO Publishing offers deals on multiple databases as well as a free, customizable pricing quotes based on institutional need and unique situations. To access Academic Search Complete, go to the library homepage. From there, click on Articles and Databases highlighted in blue off to the left side. This will navigate you to a full listing of databases that are available to SJSU students. Under A to Z, scroll down until you locate Academic Search Complete and click on it. If not already, you may be required to log in with your credentials by clicking on a blue tab off to the left side. This in turn will take you to the Advanced Search interface of Academic Search Complete. In later videos, I'll demonstrate how to do a basic search, advanced search, and taking advantage of various features, such as Boolean operators like and/or, applying limiters such as date ranges and publication types, applying an asterisk or truncations, and then how to do searches by publication types, subject terms, and cited references. Furthermore, there will be demonstration on how to apply preferences or page layouts, etc. To recap and review, we began with an introduction to the topic and myself before moving on to an explanation of what Academic Search Complete is, which is one of several databases within EBSCOhost. Next, we then moved on to an example review of quality, perception, / reputation. Then we moved on to an outline of how to access the database in the first place. And then next we moved on to a preview of the video tutorials. It's important to remember that for the special features thematically is the word customization. In preference, for example, when setting your results page, do you want just the title, the brief, or do you want both? When it comes to the layout, do you want the filters on the left side or the right side? When it comes to subject terms, there can be a bunch of related words based on one topic, or you may need to when it comes to a word that can have more than one meaning, you may need to pick the words in order to make it clear what you're actually talking about. For example, if you want to look up resources on Julius Caesar, you'd pick those words instead of, say, Caesar salad. Now, with all that said, move on to the basic search tutorial or begin searching on your own. Good luck and happy searching.